Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW from Pipcatcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Also smash that subscribe button. Keep us motivated to put out this content every single week, every single day. It is Friday, September 3rd. It is non-farm payroll. We got a news release coming in about 2 minutes. As you can see on the daily chart, we are bullish. We took out these rejections to this level real quick. I just feel like we're going to come back down and retest those levels and then shoot up to this 1.39050 key level. So we got a $1,000 account just like last time. We're going to drop 3 lots on the announcement. We're looking for a bounce right here at this 1.38050 key level. Like I said, this is going to come in about 1 minute. So we're going to come for this announcement. And let's go. Alright guys, let's go. 1 minute. This thing's coming. I just wait. Put a Richard on the card and go and playing ball. Man, you just gotta have fucking fun, baby. Dropping. We gotta get that drop too. A little bit more. We're gonna get it right there. Oh my god, fuck. The bounce right at the I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Fuck. Alright guys, we're gonna come back in a bit. We're gonna wait for this to set up and then we're gonna get another opportunity. Let's go. As you can see, targets are smashed. We didn't get to enter because it didn't pull back to the level we wanted. But like I said, I think we are going to push to that level. So we're going to wait for the bear traps. We're going to wait for this thing to settle down. We're going to come back at 9 to execute on this trade. So once we start getting these traps, we're going to enter the buy once that shit sets up, because we're going to keep shooting up for the rest of the day. Let's get it. Put a Richard. Matter of fact, this thing's gonna drop right now because just like last time we did it, and we're gonna drop right now. So we're gonna take that short right here, and we're gonna hope for the best. We're gonna take a scalp and see if we can reject hard right now. Let's go, baby. See you in a bit. Are you about to watch this shit play live right now? We about to drop back down to here. Let's go. We're gonna take a small scalp real quick. Real quick. Let's get it. Guys gonna watch it live right now. This shit's about to drop. Try to take my juice. Go understand my Q's and P's. Everybody trying to be just like me. Exactly. We're gonna reject. It's alright. We'll give it 10 pips. If we draw down 10 pips, we're out. Pull up in I'm talking about right. Pull up in a ride. I be getting good, I be eating calamari. Come on. Let's go. Like this, like that. Everybody trying to be like me. Trying to take my juice. 10 pips, let's go. I'm gonna stand my Q's and P's. Everybody trying to be just like me. Come on, let's get it. Whoa. Let's go. There's my 10 pips, baby. Whoa, get like me. Suicide doors in the inside. And that's it, baby. That's how you play non-farm fucking payroll, motherfucker. That's how you do it. Bitch. Going live on YouTube. See you in a bit.